Okay, so I'm outside minding my own business, gathering the eggs, and get a mess of them. Notice how clean they are. That is from the Best Nest box. But I'm gathering the eggs, and I said, oh, pretty, large, nice eggs. Nice, large eggs. And then I ran across this. What the heck is that? You talk about squeezing one out. That girl squeezed that one out. I've had soft shell. I've had double yolkers, and that may very well be a double. But I ain't never had one. It didn't quite form the end of it. I have to give it my dog. But it's striated, almost like she built it on 2 different days, and they just welded it together or something. I don't know. Ain't like that. Oh man, that is pretty weird looking. I thought you might want to see that. What in the world? She had some issues. Girl had some issues, but she got it out. All right, I believe I better leave. We go.